Kate here with WTI. Combing your dog just got a whole lot easier with this really awesome comb from Shiny Pet. We have a mini golden doodle. He's just a puppy, but that curly hair definitely needs to be combed on a regular basis to avoid matting. Our groomer recommended a comb like this. What I love about this comb is that the tips are all rounded, so I don't have to worry so much when I'm combing my dog. They also have two different spacings, so one is spaced a little wider than the other. We live in the country. There are all kinds of things that get caught in our puppy's fur, so I really like that I can use this to comb it out. It's nice and gentle. All I have to do is throw it on the lick pad and he lets me comb through his entire body with no issues. So I found this really helpful. It's great if you do find a mat because you can start with the bigger side to just gently brush out, and then you can go to the smaller side to really work your way through the fur. It's a very nice shape, so it feels good in your hand when you're using it. The edge is rubber, so it's nice and grippy, so it's not slipping around. So I think it's a great option for any pet owner, for dogs or cats, and that's my point of view.